Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with an updated video on my Proud to be Coily unit from HerGiven hair. I absolutely love this wig, but as you can see, it's very stiff right now. This is an old wash and go, and you guys said that you wanted to see a twist out, so that's what I'm doing today. I just washed and conditioned the hair. This hair is so soft and has so much movement. I'm sectioning off the hair to get ready for my 2-strand twist. And for some reason, this took me way less time than it takes me to do my natural hair. Probably because I do smaller twists on my natural hair, but for this one, I can do bigger twists because the hair is long and I won't lose any definition. It is the next day. My twists are still shiny and juicy. Look at that shine and definition. It looks and feels just like natural hair. As you can see, my hair is super bouncy. It has so much movement. I'm gonna leave all the information about this wig in the description so you can check it out for yourself. The shine is amazing. It's super soft. It has so much movement and body. I'm just obsessed. I love it. HerGiven hair never fails. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!